What's up YouTube? Another Nike outlet find here. This is a pair of Jordan 18s with no lid, of course. Blue suede colorway. This is a very cool shoe. I don't think many people really like these just because they're kind of a little bit weird. But I happen to like them a lot. Gonna throw them on foot here. If you like these Jordan 18s, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. They're pretty nice sneakers. They've got a nice little like leather patch here with the Jordan logo or Jordan in writing. Metal lace tips, leather tongue, suede exterior. Jordan Comfort Control plate inside there. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, let's throw these on. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Let's check it out. So on foot, as you can see, they're pretty fire. They're very flashy. If you want denim like this, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link. These are a pair of nudies. They look pretty good with sneakers. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.